Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back. It is Brittany Flynn.
Let me do a little.
Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. I was wearing a dress, but I felt itchy and disgusting while I was sitting outside, so I put this on, but it's toasty out here, so I'm probably gonna have to change again. Today we have a friend. She's so precious. So today we are going to be going for a little nature walk with Nova, Courtney, and just picking some flowers, and I'm gonna bring y'all along with us. You're so precious.
I'm doing that one.
Hey guys, so I did a little outfit change back in my dress.
Nova, I'm trying to untangle you. Good girl. This morning, the rain is supposed to be here in Washington. The whole butt. Sit. Hey, Nova, butt. Good girl. Move to the. Ooh, Daisy.
Ma'am.
Me. You don't even see that. Come on. Butt. She's like this one. Good girl. You can run with her if you want. Don't let her back here. Go in the middle. She just fell.
Nova.
Sure, that's some good grass.
Nova. Nova. Oh, she's trying to eat.
Come on, Nova. Get out of the middle. Just stay in the middle. Nova. Yeah, I was like. Did they? Oh well. Stay in the road. Come on. Come on, Nova. Smell the jar. Come on, let's go for. Come here, Nova. It doesn't go.
Nova.
Nova, come here. Thank you. Oh, do you want the jar?
Nova, let's go. Come on.
Come on. Macron was running for president online. She smells it too. I'm limiting where she can walk. Walks him, but that's kind of. Hey, Nova. This. Oh my God! Look how deep. Looks like it. I'm gonna leave her in the.
Yo, I just saw a beaver or something over here. What is? I seen it on the land, and then I was like, I wonder what that is. And it swam in the water when I didn't see it, but I saw it swim.
Come on, Nova. There's an orange flower. Over here, no. Come on, Nova. The middle's over here. Nova's looking like. Oh my god, cat just biting one because it looks like a hot dog.
Nova. Nova.
Come on, Nova. That's how big that thing is. Oh my god.
It's a
Smile. You probably got another thing. Here. It's recording. No, Nova. I'm limiting. Told you I couldn't get it. Come on, Nova. Food. Come on, baby. Be careful. Come on. On the ground. She doesn't understand her legs. Developing.
Nova. Come on. You're having a time of your life. Cutie.
Far. I love those. I'll give this to her.
Beyonce.
Slay Beyonce. That's yours. You ready? Come on. She wants
Family run.
She wants the waterfall.
Family run.
She's gonna trip me. Come on, baby. She doesn't like people leaving the group of parents.
Cutie. Let's go for a ride. Waterfall.
Get Winnie. The video's gonna be all the. Running with the bull. I know, I'm tired. Keep walking.
Because I'm on the. I am tired.
I don't want more than she had to pull me. How long it takes you? How long do you think you've been walking?
Passes my pedals and that. It's trouble.
Or you're going to have to give.
Nova. Nova, come on.
You coming?
Oh yeah, right there.
Great. Sit on me.
Ready?
Come on, Nova.
No.
Yeah.
Nap time.
Glizzy. Did you feel the water touch your They're not ready. Pretty ninja.
Yeah, they so precious together. I'm glad Courtney got her dog. She's been wanting one for months. R.I.P. Toad. So y'all, the flower literally just flipped the camera, but I found this on my walk. It's like nice and new, so I'm gonna keep it just for safekeeping. It's on my walk. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and go out and spend some time in nature.